guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center, and once again I welcome you to my channel to give you a quality presentation. And today I am ready to take in-depth review and also give you an update about cars that you should buy in the Ghanaian market for Uber and taxi. And I have listed 5 top cars that you should buy for Uber and taxi for money waiting, and especially for new buyers for the first time. This is the car I recommended to you. So I'll put all the description in the video description, and please, if this is the first time coming into this platform, please do so to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated for more tutorials. We update you and give you quality video content every week on this platform. So these are the top 5 cars that Eric Auto Center has reviewed to give you when you want to buy a car for taxi or commercial use, especially for the first time car buyers. This is the car that I recommend for you for money waiting and business for good. So I'm going to start from the bottom to the top, and I can assure you car number 1 will be surprise you. Most people don't know this is a wet money car that you're supposed to buy for business or taxi, and I have put that one on top for first ranking. So I'll start from the bottom for ranking number 5. This is car number 5. Okay, car number 5 is a Suzuki Alto. Suzuki Alto comes with 1.0 liter. Suzuki only offers the Alto with one engine, a 1.0 liter 3-cylinder petrol unit, like the similar unit in the Skoda Sitoko. The 68 bhp unit is a smooth and eager performer, combined with the slick 5-speed manual gearbox, which is allowed the Suzuki to spring from 0 to 62 mph in 13.5 seconds. That's a very faster car that I discovered and I recommend to you to buy for business. So put the comment in the comment box. Let me see those interested in these cars, and if you want to buy, we can also assist you. So the email and the link will be put in the video description for more details and for business. So this is car number 5, and let's go to car number 4. It's Toyota Corolla from 2007, 2009 to 2013. Good for business and Uber. So this is 1.8 engine liter which delivers easy handling and exemplary fuel economy at a low cost. The Corolla ranks in the middle of its class because some competitors have more distinctive looks and smarter driving dynamics for money waiting, especially for the first time buyers. So this is the car I recommended for you, and it has no hardening faulting with no hardening overheating, and it is very easy to repair and very cheap price to buy, which is starting from 45,000 to 50,000 in Ghanaian cedis. You can afford this car to buy in the home use with the Ghanaian market. So this is also the car number 4 that I need to buy, even for the first time buyers and Uber for taxi people. So we are going to move from car number 3, which is Toyota Yaris. Toyota Yaris comes with a 1.3 and 1.5 liter engine, which has already been considered by many to be classic in highly competitive subcompact car category. A used or new Toyota Yaris automatic could be perfect choice for you. What's more, however, with their auto gearbox, they are a sheer joy to drive, and it also have a very good economical fuel consumption, and I can tell you it is money waiting car. So Eric Auto Center is recommend this car to you to buy for business and the first time buyers. It is good and very reliable, and I can tell you the flexibility is 100%. There is no hardening fault for this car, and it is very easy to repair. I can tell you, despite the roads are not good, you can manage to use this car So don't go and buy any car for business or for the first time which is not money worth in a car. These are the cars we recommend you to buy. So we move on to car number 2 is Toyota Vitz. Which has always dominating in the system and varieties of engine as well as a transmission options which are available in 1.0 liter to 1.5 liter. These are the method with 5-speed and 6-speed manual transmission and 4-speed automatic transmission CVT. So this car is very good for use whichever liter or capacity you can buy. It is very good for business and for the first time buyer, especially for Uber and taxi using, which is very good for you to buy. So it is very recommended car for you and it is very easy to repair in the Ghanaian market, which I can say from 30,000 to 35,000 you can get one of the used cars to buy for business. So this is the car number 2 I recommend for you. And finally, this will be a surprise for you and most people don't know that this car is ranking in the system which has mostly dominating and it's a worth money car for you to buy for business. So it's Hyundai Getz. Hyundai Getz from 2010 to 2015. I recommend this car for you for business. It is purposely come with 1.4 liter engine which is also sometimes 1.6 high fuel consumption economy emission and range for 1.6 estimated fuel consumption and it's money working for commercial and private use. Quickly purchase one for business routine ASAP and this car is absolutely fantastic. Whether manual or transmatic, it doesn't worry and it's very easy to repair. Anybody can repair for business. You can go and buy it whether new or home use. These are the cars we want to recommend for you in the Ghanaian market if you want to use for Uber or taxi or especially for private use and the first time buyers. These are the top 5 cars in review we have considered to alert you to buy for business. So these are the things we do here and every Recording Center is always alarming guarantee people with motor vehicle experience with the myths and misconception in a car review. We do also the candid and in-depth review for cars that people want to buy to give them understanding of what to do and what not to do. So consider subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to stay updated for more videos on this platform. Don't forget to share this video to go viral and put your comment below in the comment section so that we can get more interaction and a long conversation so that every Recording Center will also welcome you to join a great family. Thanks for watching. See you in the meantime. Bye bye.